Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Those who want to construct their own house can plan their house well by watching the videos of real construction completed houses. In this video, let's see the inside video of newly built 2 BHK individual house. The new individual single floor house you see now is built on west facing plot. It is a 2 BHK house. It has living hall, kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 toilets. If you have liked this video, press the like button. Also make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow the updates. Thanks for watching.